I'll share my screen now. Just give me. Can you see my data set? Can you see the data set? Please, can you unmute and talk?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. So let's start from yesterday. I'll briefly explain what we did. We discussed about how to create additional column email from first name and last name using formula. And I said that whenever you are using a formula in Excel, you start with equal to, and we check how to check for duplicate values in datasets, because whenever you are working with datasets, at least your data cleaning is most vital that we have to go through. Sometimes you can spend like 70%, 80% cleaning your data. And yesterday we created okay, we are working on this one today. So about the date, I think we talk about the date, that sometimes your date can give you issue before you can know that if it is a date. And there are some way that you can convert the date to a real date, because sometimes your date can appear as a general or text. So when you use this formula, you go here, home, date, and you change to date, or you use data and do text to column. However, if you still find out that the date is not the real date, how do you know that your date is not real date? There's a formula that there's a formula that you can use to check. We call it you use is a numeric to know if it is a real data or is number, date, close. If you return false, it's not date. If you return true, it is a date. So when I check if this column G, date, is a real date or not, it tells me that it's not a date. So yesterday, because when we ended the class, I went ahead, I told that I'm learning too, to check how can you create, because I try all the method that I know to convert this date. None is working. For you not to waste your time, you can create additional column for new date and convert the dates using this formula here. So when you use this formula, it will convert your date. That will be easy for you to use a normal simple formula for day, month. This is not motto. I'm just trying to do something yesterday. When you want to check for your month, equal to, you use month formula. Yesterday, I told you that I'll send you two different formula that you can use in case you find yourself in this message, and you have, when your line manager give you work, or your boss, you have a limited time to solve the problem. So when you go through something, because your aim, your goal is to solve the problem, you can use any method that will be able you to solve the problem. So yesterday I was telling you that you can use this simple method, or you use another method for it. When you use this simple method, you use is equal to mod to check for your mod, and you click here, you close the bracket. So our mod is 4. That is April. Let me. I want to. When you click here, and it will, or you drag everything down. So that is how to check for month, day, and year. It's the same formula for year. Year equal to. So I think using this simple formula is much easier than cracking your head to write difficult code formula for it. And you want to check for the quarter. So this is I'll send you all the answer after today class. So this is how to find day, month, and year in Excel. So today we are moving forward to module 2. Module 2 said that because we are using the question to answer the Excel sheet. So module 2 said that you should convert the data set into an Excel. So anybody in class that can take over that. I want to convert the data set to the Excel table. I can give you a consult so that you can. Anyone? This data set, you want to convert it to Excel table. Very simple. Anybody that want to try?
You select
Okay.
the data set, then
Okay,
you go
select
to
the entire data set.
insert. You go to insert,
Insert.
then table. That's the pivot table now, or ordinary table.
No, ordinary table. We are not going
Or you
pivot.
can do Control T too, or you do the table there. I think it should work.
I'll select the entire table. I'll come
Data.
here. Yes. So that is how to create a table. If you want to change the color, you can come here and change the color. So let's leave it this color. So now I need someone to tell me, our header fall on row number 2. So how can I shift this header to row number 1? Anybody? So I want my first name to be in column 1, last name column 2. So what should I do? So you see here, everything, when you are doing a data cleaning, we have first column, last column, burdened column, header row. So what you're supposed to do is here, either you click on the row, when you select everything, you want to convert your data set. Let me go back. There's 2 different ways that you can work on this. When you click on insert, we have here, you can use home to go to format your data set. When you come here, insert, and you want to convert your data set, you see it will give you my table as header. When you click here, it will leave the headers the way it is. But when you don't click it, it will give you another rows that will contain column 1, column 2. Am I communicating? Or if you want me to go back, I
Yes.
can go back. So before you convert your table, always try to click on that part. You go to insert table. My table has headers. You are telling Excel that you have headers so that Excel doesn't create additional rows for you. You check the box and you click OK. So number 2 for module 2, format the total amount column as a currency. We have amount here. How can we convert this part to currency? Anybody in the house can? How can we convert this amount?
Select the amount.
Select.
The amount column. You go to, I think, home. Then you see where you have
Yes, we have format here. You can convert it from here, currency,
then
or
you select the currency. Yes.
yes, you select the currency, or if you don't want to go to the box here, you can click the currency here, shortcut, or number 3 method, you can right click and format the cell, and you come here. You have 3 different ways to format your data set, your column or your amount, any data set that you have. Either you do it through here or you right click the column and click format cell. Is that clear? Please talk if you are with me,
Yes.
so that I don't talk alone.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, if anybody
Yes.
if it's not clear with you, please stop me. I can go back many times. So stop me. This part is not clear with me. So you can ask me to explain again and I will do. Thank you. So module 3, calculate the total sales amount in the data set. I think we explained this part yesterday. How can we calculate the total amount in the data set? We are talking about, okay, you want to know what are the total amounts? Yeah, you can come down here and come. This total amount. Yes, you can come here. Okay, you want to know the total amount that you have. Anybody can help me there.
Some.
I missed some. Do you want me to write only some first?
Equals, then some.
Equal some.
Equals some.
Then select the cell from up down.
Okay.
Of. Okay.
So we have 235,886 total amount. So, yeah, how can we calculate average? The same method for some, or the only thing that you have to change there is the average part. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. So this one, I'll change it to average. So this is the average amount we have. So module 4, Create a spending category column based on total amount using if function. When they say create a spending category, okay, we want to know the spending from amount, column G. Okay, if you want to create a spending amount in DataEdge, okay, for example, I want to see, okay, if the amount is greater than 3,000, I think I did something here yesterday, Victor, because we started together to check. So say we want to create a new column here. Let me call it spending amount. So we want to see if it is higher spending or regular spending from H for the amount. So let's assume that we want to see if the amount is greater than or equal to 3,000. That is higher spending. If it is less, it's regular spending. And we are going to use if statement. Equal to if ratio greater than or equal to 3,000. Oh, sorry. 3,000, comma. Give me higher spending. Higher spender, comma. Regular spender. If it's less, it will give me regular spender. Close bracket. This way is comma, not equal to. So when you look at the amount here, we have $1,562 and it's less than 3,000, the conditional number that I give the total amount. I said that if total amount is greater than or equal to 3,000, give me higher spender or else regular spender. So when I drag it down now, you see higher spender here, row number 4. This part, 3,500, 3,598. So it is to check which, for example, if they give you your business question, ask you that, okay, we have total amount. So, and your boss said that, okay, I have one condition. I want to know all the total amount that has maybe greater than or less than so amount. So this is the formula you use if to check. That is the easier formula to use. And next question, you are answering the next question. The next question said, create an age group column based on age. It's the same method. I need someone to help me with this. The same method, the same formula. We have our age group column F. So we have different age group here. Let me put this one back. So you want to create age group column based on age. Okay, you want to see maybe, okay, let me give you number to work. Okay, can you check if the age group age is greater than 34, you should give me adult. If it's younger, you should give me young. Use adult and young to create the date group. It's the same formula, just little changes. This is the formula for the amount. So I want for the age group. Anybody can help. The number to use is 34 years old. If it's above 34, is adult. If less than 34, is a young.
So we have equals to.
It's equal to, okay, I'm coming. Let me close this part. Equal to,
If
you
open the brackets, I think the cell is F.
F, yes.
Okay.
F2.
If F2 is greater than or equals to 34.
Is greater than or equal to 34,
comma, then quotation, return, I think old, Abby.
Yes, old or adult. Let's use adult.
Okay, adult, sorry. Then
comma,
then you open another quotation mark, young. You close it and enter.
So let's say, let me scroll to the left. Our age 32, we have young. 25, we have young. The adult part is when we have 37. Yeah. So that is how you check. For example, you want to work on the data sets, and then you want to check the number of young adults. You cannot use the age number here. Your visual will not well. You cannot use number of age this way to present your visual. You have to convert this. So assuming that they ask you that, okay, we want to know the number of adults that purchase. Don't let me use purchase. Okay, we want to know the number of adults that is female or male. So you prefer to convert your age group to text for you to be able to create your data set. We will use this later for our dashboard. Age group. So next question. We must finish this question today because we have another data set. Let's look at the VLOOK and XLOOK. What are the difference between the two lookup? Because you have to understand the difference between them before you'll be able to know, okay, which one should I use? If you have a question, which one should I look at between both of them? So you have to know the difference between the VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP. Just little slight difference between them. They do the same work. Anyway, one is easy and one is difficult.
I think VLOOKUP checks data vertically, Abby.
Yes, it checks data vertically. And which one is more easier to use now?
VLOOKUP is easier, so XLOOKUP is a bit
But for me, I see VLOOKUP is quite difficult to run because it has a lot of function inside. But XLOOKUP is a easy one, and VLOOKUP is older Excel version. People use more XLOOKUP now because it's Excel 365, Excel 2021. So it's a new version of VLOOKUP. And VLOOKUP can break formula while XLOOKUP cannot break the formula, and XLOOKUP is easy while VLOOKUP is difficult. XLOOKUP require if error inside the function while XLOOKUP is built in. And easy to use, VLOOKUP is moderate while XLOOKUP is much easier to use. So the question said that find gender first name and the under VLOOKUP, and the second one, find country using first name. So I think I will stop here and create the second zone because it has given me, you have 3 minutes to end this show. So I don't want to continue with this. Let's continue next one before I start the VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP.